Alright, this is new, 2023, almost 7,000 miles. Corvette Stingray. Get your jean shorts ready. Seems like an odd place to put a mode button. Alright, so let's get this to service and get it inspected. Looks in great shape. Can't wait to post it up for sale. That just really doesn't feel that fast to me. I feel like the B58 and the M340 felt faster. How do guys in their 60s that typically buy these climb out of these?
If you go to auto, you're going to see what? The dash. The dash. Okay, so right now we have it set to 80, and you have it at high, or very high, but the vents have nothing's really coming out. Why is nothing coming out even though I had it set to very high?
Welcome to another comparison test. This time, two smallish luxury SUVs that happen to be electric. That's right, you have to plug these in to drive them before you get bent out of shape about the value and the depreciation. We're going to talk about why you would consider these. The Porsche Macan versus the BMW iX.
Days of virtual learning starring the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5.
We are going on a dealer trade, another dealer trade to Countryside, Illinois from Crystal Lake. We've got to exchange this 2.5 premium CX-50 for a Meridian CX-50, black with terracotta interior. I'm excited to see that contrast. It's going to be really sharp. It's got the nice all-terrain tires on it, on the Meridian. And so we'll go to Countryside to do that. Thanks for the help and their team there to help us out on this trade. Countryside is cool. I think that's where we got my Mazda 3 hatchback, just outside of our inventory. I wanted a turbo premium Mazda 3. So we got that from there. And that's kind of where Route 66 starts in Chicago to head west, which is cool. And you could kind of see the outline of the skyline in Chicago. So thanks for joining me. Let's have fun and get this safely to Countryside, Illinois, and get the Meridian back to Crystal Lake, Illinois safely. Look at all these Mazdas. Makes it look like I only have 12 at my dealership. I think I see it right there with the all-terrain tire on it. Sweet. This is like one of two that was on the ground. Yeah. We got a fresh wheel. Terracotta interior, lovely, and it actually has gas in it. This is fantastic. Thank you to Andreas at Countryside Mazda for helping us out on this one. Just getting it warmed up a little bit. Now we got paddle shifters and turbo. Take me to Crystal Lake, Illinois.
Okay, Crystal Lake. Here we go.
Look at that old B2000. That is awesome.
Set the master wire me all day, every day. There's these things that we see about there. One or two that face that time in LA.
Okay, welcome back everyone. My name is James Orton. I'm at Mazda of Crystal Lake today with a 2026 Mazda CX-70 Premium Plus in melting copper metallic. So this is the first one that we've had in inventory and the first one that we sold. I've actually sold this car 3 times. We ordered it for a customer and they backed out, and then I had another client that was considering it, almost pulled the trigger, and then we met the new owner just recently and was a referral to us and just could not get over this color. So I think it's pretty cool as well. Customer did opt for the ceramic coating, the Silajet, that protects the clear coat. And so we're gonna go over this and make sure that there's no leftover smudges on mirrors or door jams, no visual noise to the new owner. So we want to say congratulations to Jay on his new CX-70. Let's get started on this. Alright, so here we are, CX-70 2026 Premium Plus. This will run about 52.9. Really looks sharp with the black chrome. There's your entry into the space, the contrasted stitching and piping. So the interior is treated with the Silajet application as well to protect against spills or rips, tears, burns. Entry into the second row, you have heated seats, air conditioning, USB-C charging. Some more of the black chrome. Looks so nice with this color. Now this is sort of like a tux mat, but this is a genuine Mazda accessory to reduce the amount of things embedded into the carpet below. And Mazda still does have the spare tire underneath that floorboard. There is 120 volts. But also nice for a dog, this mat. Also want to put the books together for the new owner, so reference to information about the vehicle is easy to get to. What's up, Devin? How you doing, man? What kind of trouble are we gonna get into today?
It's Monday, so.
Yeah, it's growing on you?
I like weird colors.
Yeah. Alright, last thing to do is the podium and the bow. Set for departure. That's how we do it here. And 2026 Mazda CX-70. Excellent powertrain, 3.3 turbo, inline 6. Nice balanced chassis. Alright, so here we are at Mazda of Crystal Lake again with another delivery. This is a 2026 Mazda CX-50 Meridian Edition Turbo. So you're going to have active driving display, heated and cooled seats, and heated steering wheel. And then of course you get the Meridian graphics on the hood. The rocker panel trim, and of course the all-terrain tires. And this is a black Meridian, but you have the terracotta exclusive to the Meridian Edition. Very nice looking contrast upon entry, classy space. This also has the outstanding Bose sound system, wireless charging and connectivity for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you have paddle shifters as well for that turbo engine. So let's walk around this and find some visual noise to reduce for our customer's delivery. You see the black chrome emblems, looks really sharp on the black. This will have the tonneau cover as an example of layout. This has the roadside assistance kit, the cargo tray protecting the back of the seats, and then the floorboard. Looks like black wheel locks. And this is in jet black mica, which is also a metallic. See this along here. This right there. And this right there. Even up front you have the black chrome on the 2026s. That looks really sharp. All right, I think that's looking pretty good. Let's put the books together, prepare the podium and the bow for a podium finish at Mazda Crystal Lake. If you'd like your new car delivery like this. So congratulations, Jay. 2 deliveries same day, both named Jay. Pretty cool. All right, that does it for this pre-delivery inspection on a 2026 Mazda CX-50 Meridian. Really sharp car. I would love to have this. So safe travels. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.